Hello everyone, welcome to Chem Guru. In this session, I am going to discuss the questions that were asked in GATE 2018 papers. These are very selected questions that were debatable or people have some doubt about it. The first question was, we were asked which among the following is inverse spinel. For this, the correct answer was option A, because this is a non-transition metal. For non-transition metals, CFSE is always taken to be 0. For inverse spinels, the CFSE for the metal in +2 oxidation state should be higher. ठीक है, the CFSE for the metal in the +2 oxidation state should be higher for inverse spinels. For normal spinels, the reverse happens. This was asked, what would be the representation of p orbital in octahedral field? The correct answer to this was T1U. Since the p orbital is ungyrate, this is your positive and this is your negative, so it would be T1U. There is a trick regarding this. If you don't know the trick, you can message me or comment down. I will make a separate video for that. We were asked what B5H8- is the structure type. The correct answer to this was nido. This can be easily done by counting the number of electrons involved in skeletal bonding. The total valence electrons in the metal this can also be very easily done. The answer to this was 80 electrons. In this question, we were asked, in a tetrapeptide, there were four amino acids are present, that were leucine, glycine, phenylalanine and alanine, and it was given that alanine was not present, it was given that no chiral, means this glycine is not chiral, so this glycine was not adjacent to alanine. So by considering that, only these 4 combinations were possible for the tetrapeptide. Okay, the answer is not 6. Many candidates have marked 6 as the right answer, although this was an NET type question. Now this was also asked from commutators, so the answer to this was H cross. You can satisfy yourself with this solution. You can pause the video and practice it yourself. Now this is the question again. This question was based on 2 + 2 cycloaddition. This is not Paterno-Bucci reaction. Like this and this, that type of rearrangement would not take place, because this is a 2 + 2 cycloaddition. Now comes to this. This is simply based on Frank-Anklin model or Cramp's model. The only product formed in this would be X. The options were given that X would be major or Y would be minor. That's not going to happen. The only product formed would be X. That can be, you can satisfy yourself from Caruthers. It is given on, a similar example is given on page number 72. For this question, we were asked the stretching frequency of the product. The final product, this was given the reactant, and the final product formed would be this. And since it contains keto groups, it would show a maxima around 17-25 centimeter inverse. Metastable peak will not be observed, because metastable peak is only observed in the case of aldehydes or acids. So this is the final answer. It would not be 34 point something. This is the final question. This was again very simple question from quantum mechanics, and okay, thank you. Thank you.